If you often find yourself using Canva to create Instagram graphics, you're creating them here in Canva, then you're exporting them as a JPEG or whatever type of file to your computer, then sending it to your phone, and then uploading it and adding it as a post on Instagram. This just got way easier for us, and I'm going to show you a new feature that I discovered the other day as I was getting ready to export some of my portfolio graphics here that makes it possible to post directly from Canva to Instagram. All you have to do once you have your graphics created, you would hit share just like you would to go download them. But you can see right over here on the same line as that download button, it says Instagram. So if you click Instagram, the first time you do it, it's going to prompt you to obviously connect your Instagram account. But since I have done that, it is ready for me to post to my Designing the Row Instagram. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You pick the format. Do you want to do a post or a reel or a story? I'll do a post. And then if you have a file like I do where it has all sorts of different graphics, you don't want to share all of them, you get to select your graphics. So for example, the post I did the other day was this portfolio post where I shared a new website launch. So I just selected my few images of this website. So we're just telling you I want to make a post with graphic 8, 9, and 10 from this Canva file. You can write your caption here. You can tag people. I will say I invited my client as a collaborator, and that didn't translate over to Instagram, but I was still able to go in and edit and add them as a collaborator anyways. I just wanted to show you this because this is huge for me. You can see my huge file of Canva mockups here that I keep creating and exporting and uploading. This makes it so much easier, and I just, it made my life easier, so I thought I would share to help make your life easier too. And obviously I didn't say this, but the next step to get this to go live on your Instagram would be to publish now, but I have already published that, so I'm not going to do that, but you get the point, and I hope this helps. If it did, please leave me a comment down below, and we can all be excited about this together.